In the morning, Miami-Dade County gets its first walk-up testing site.
And tonight, there's much more attention on antibody testing, which could help tell us who's already had the virus. CBS 4's Carrie Codd is in Fort Lauderdale with more.
State health officials say more than 1,500 people have been tested at the 2 walk-up testing sites that opened in Broward County last week. And now the National Guard is preparing to open a walk-up testing site in Miami-Dade on Friday. It will be at the Holy Family Catholic Church in North Miami. Testing is on everyone's mind as the country itches to return to work. Leaders want to know how widespread the COVID-19 virus is and who might have already been infected yet managed to fight it off. In New York, Governor Andrew Cuomo said antibody testing there showed that as much as 13.9% of the population may have had COVID-19.
These are people who were infected and who developed the antibodies to fight the infection.
Experts suggest that may mean the virus is not as deadly as once thought, since more people appear to have overcome it. Doctors at the University of Miami are conducting antibody testing. The results of those tests are not known thus far. Dr. Luis Caldera Nieves worked for Jackson Health System. He died of COVID-19. His wife and several of his children tested positive for the coronavirus, and they've recovered. They want others like them to get tested so they can donate plasma to help critically ill patients.
Open a place to test people that already are positive, that already are without symptoms in 2 weeks.
And they may be getting their wish. Miami-Dade says they've started retesting for positive COVID-19 patients at several sites, including at Marlins Park and the Youth Fair. Experts say the plasma is already working for some patients.
The use of convalescent plasma is rooted in the fact that people who are infected build antibodies to that infection, and then once they recover, those antibodies that they develop can then be transfused into other people that are critically ill in an effort to boost up their immune system to fight off that infection.
To participate in this plasma donation program, you have to have a lab-confirmed positive test for COVID-19 and to be symptom-free for 14 days. At these walk-up testing sites in Broward, they're testing about 200 people per day, and the state has said they might expand that if the demand requires it. In Fort Lauderdale, Carrie Codd, CBS 4 News Tonight.